Master typing. Good or touch typing is a skill that helps to type text or enter data in a computer fastly and accurately. Touch typing. Touch typing, also called touch type or touch keyboarding, is typing without using the sense of sight to find the keys. Type using all one's fingers and without looking at the keys. Home row. Touch typing typically involves placing the 8 fingers in a horizontal row on the middle of the keyboard and tapping the required keys. Different stages of touch typing. Stage 1. In this stage, the learner begins typing by using just the home row of the keyboard. Stage 2. In this stage, the learner memorizes the frequently used letters and types words containing these letters. Stage 3. The learner types text using the keys of the entire keyboard. Seven rules for touch typing. Never look at the keyboard. Focus on accuracy. Find the index keys. Practice and practice some more. Sit straight. Look straight. Take a break. Advantages of touch typing skills. Speed. This is going to be the first and most obvious benefit of learning to touch type. A touch typist can easily reach typing speed above 75 to 80 words per minute. Accuracy. One of the most important things to learn, no matter how hard you type, is to type accurately. Time. If you increase your typing speed from say 30 words per minute to 60, you have effectively halved the time it would take you to do the same amount of work. Fatigue. Typing is both mentally and physically exhausting to do for a long period of time. Learning to touch type properly reduces both mental and physical fatigue. Health. Overall, touch typing is better for your health. You are not hunched over looking at the keys, and using all of your fingers actually reduces the risk for repetitive stress injuries or RSI. Many people who work on keyboards or with computers all day are at risk for these repetitive stress injuries. Job prospectus. Typing is not an optional skill anymore. Many employers require computer skills and a certain typing speed to even be considered for some position. Focus. When you are typing with 2 fingers, your focus is split between finding the keys on the keyboard and the work you are doing on the computer. Learning to touch type allows you to focus on one thing instead of two. This tends to increase productivity and make it easier to pay attention to the details of your project rather than having to focus on your keys. Editing. If you spend your time starting at your keyboard, you are not going to notice spelling or grammar mistakes until well after you have made them. Touch typing gives you the option of editing as you go. You will be able to see errors as they appear and backspace to fix them. This is also good for grammar mistakes, as what you see in your head may not sound as good on paper. Rapid Typing Tutor is designed to teach adults and kids to use their computer keyboard more efficiently than ever. Learning to type can be easy and fun. Typing Tutor features full course for beginner, advanced and expert. Virtual Keypad. It is a type of on-screen keypad which helps to learn typing with all the 10 fingers. Status bar. It lies above the virtual keypad. It displays the lesson length, progress of the lesson and sound controller. It consists of two progress bars. Green progress bar shows the percentage of completion of the current lesson. Yellow progress bar reflects the acceptable time typing a character. Result interpretation. It is a way to check accuracy, speed, slow keystroke, common error, etc. Results are calculated on the basis of the following parameters: overall rating on upper slider indicator, typing speed, accuracy, keystroke, slowdown. Student statistics. It helps in adding student or students group and previewing the statistics of their performance in the typing lesson. Errors overview. The letters in different colors indicate the following. Green indicate correct characters. Yellow character is an indication that the time frame of typing has been exceeded. Red indicates the incorrect character. Orange indicates both incorrect character as well as exceeding of the time frame. This is your keyboard finger chart.